Good morning guys, today is 11th of May 2015 and time is 6:11 a.m. London time, and I'm going to continue pound dollar analysis. Right now I'm watching weekly chart. As we can see, last week bullish strength, and what we see at the bottom, the stochastic is still above 80, MACD is still bullish, and bearish momentum is decreasing. So at the bottom, if you see, if this yellow line cross this white line, then probably we can see continuity of bullish movement. But if it's failed, then probably we can see some retracement, but we'll see this week. Let's move on to the daily. What we see daily on Friday, we see that the price nicely respected 155,000 resistance area, and we can see some bearish movement, and it's looked like is double top, but it's too early to say. And if you look at this candle, is performing inside bar pattern, but we'll see today. What we see at the bottom, we can see the stochastic is turning above, and the flex MACD is bullish, and the momentum is bullish. So let's move on to the 4 hour. What we see 4 hour, yes, on Friday we can see the price nicely respected 155,000 resistance area. That is also previous high. Right, we can see after this bearish candle, which is basically inside of this body, we had a nice short movement from here to here, around about 118 pips. Alright, so let's move on to the 1 hour and plan a trade today. Okay, just recap Friday trade. As I mentioned you that if the price, this is false breakout, as we can see at the bottom. As I mentioned, on Friday we have a divergence, so this is early sign the price might going to reverse. So after this candle, you can see this is inside bar pattern. In 4 hour we can see there's an opportunity. As I mentioned you earlier that I always go in 5 minutes, and I always try to take a trade when I get confirmation. Right, so let me show you in 5 minutes. I took a trade close to when price came to 155,000 area. Let me show you in 5 minutes. Alright, on Friday, as you can see, the price respected 155,000 resistance area, and after retest you can see that's the previous high, and you can see after this price respected, as you can see, the Bollinger Band as well. So there's opportunities to trade short here, and if you look at around about like 15 or 20 pips stop loss, and after that you can see the nice movement, and then my first target would be this white baseline, which is probably, I think, is 90 pips, something like that. Yeah, it's 90 pips. So, and after that, if we always take scaling trades, basically one entry, and then we know that the price is coming down, so we always try to find the wedges. You can see, and that's the another trade, and that's technically we call as a counter trades. So but even in a counter trades, we take a trade with a valid technical reasons, and with the combination of these indicators which help us to make decisions. Alright, so that's the trade which, as I mentioned on you on Friday. Let's move back to the 1 hour and plan a trade for today. Alright, so what is the agenda for today? If you look at, I'm just going to redraw the recent support and resistance, and this is one fractal, and this is one. You can see that's the wedge breakout I'm looking, but ahead we can see 154,000 area, which is another powerful support area. As you can see, the price previously respected here, and you can see, you can also consider the price basically respected previously here. So this is another powerful support area, and if I draw one fractal here, and this is another one. So that's basically, if the price even break this support, I would consider when the price break 154,000 area. Again, in 5 minutes, I would prefer if the price come back and retest 154,000 area, then probably I'll be looking short trade. and my first target would be this white blue balance line, and the final target would be 153,500 support area. And if the price break this trend line resistance line, then my first target would be the flex channel, and the second would be 155,000 area. So that's the basically triangle, and that's the breakout I'm looking for today. We'll see how the market is going to perform. As you can see, the Bollinger Band in 1 hour is squeezing. So let's see if there's any high impact news today. Right, today we have high impact news around 12 p.m. London time, and we'll see how this news is going to react in the market. And we have a 3 p.m. Low impact news for dollar. We'll see how these news is going to react in the market. Alright guys, that's it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.